In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to break the password of a router. So we are using a packet tracer, and we're gonna see how to enable the password and break the password. So we have a series. We're taking 2620 router series, and we connected that router with laptop. The app of console cable at the console port, and this is what we whenever you use in the real scenario. This is a console cable, and whenever we use laptop or PC and want to connect with the router, we require terminal software. uh, you will find that when by default in Windows XP machine, the Windows XP operating system, the terminal, and let's for we have to use that uh, to get through it. At packet tracer, since we are using packet tracer, we have CLI and router. So just to show the font in a better size, I using the router's CLI only, because we are here to discuss. So enable, and then we will go to config T to first set our router with some commands. So hostname, tech router, just change the router name. And now what we will do here, we will give the interface fast Ethernet and 0 by 0, and we just want to give the IP address of that interface. So say 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0. Now shut down, so we'll update our and allow our IP to work. Exit. We will accept it, and here we go. The link is linked and start working. So now what we do here is we will give some commands of so first we need to go to configuration terminal, and then enable secret password. Now we saw in the last videos that secret will provide us a encrypted password. So when we say enable secret, I'm just giving some password which I don't know and exit from there, and just see show running config. So this is what the secret password is. Actually, I don't know what I given randomly, and that random password become more secure since I don't understand what that. So just I'm copying that and running startup. Okay, so we copy that running config to startup config. Now show startup config. So it's copied now into our NVRAM. So what we now gonna do here is show version. This is the command word, show version, and you will find one version here. This is what the flash system image file is, flash C2600, and that, and this is very important, configuration register 0x2102, and this is very important. Now what we're gonna do here is, since we don't know the password, let's try to log in. Enable, and it asking me password which I don't know. It's not possible because I didn't know what the password I given to the enable mode. I can't enable now. I can't go more because I have no password. So what I'm gonna do is just router physical and just restart our router. Look, and control plus break or control plus pause button, break slash pause button in your keyboard. Just press control plus pause, control plus break, whatever it is, pause or break. And then a Roman one, you have to give the command config 0x2142. This is the command config 0x2142. And this, because we want to bypass with our earlier version, and just we reset it, and it's again start booting, and it bypassed that version, the register version, and just end, and you can see we are at user mode. And if we say write a command, enable, we here require enable command, so we reach to privilege mode. Here privilege mode, we have to see show startup config. So this is what the existing file which is copied into the NBRAM. We have to copy that startup file into running config because we want that file back. So we got that tech router, and now our working is on tech router. So I have to give another command, configuration terminal, and no enable secret. Since I don't know the password, so I have to give no enable secret. This password will no longer exist. So exit show running configuration and no enable password, because we don't know the password, so we just give a password or no enable secret. Now configuration key, if you want to, or you remain as it is, but I have to give the password, so I have to give new password called enable space equals space ccna. So this is the new password, and exit from and goes to privilege, give a see show running password, and there we go. This is the new secret password of ccna. I give ccna. You can give any other password of your requirement. Now I'm going to copy that running configuration, startup configuration, enter, OK, and now that new password saved to our NVRAM. Now show version, we bypass this configuration register 0x2142. If you remember, our earlier value is 0x2102. Our earlier value was 0x2102, and now it's 0x2142. We have to once again bypass that with the existing one, with the last one. So here command is config register at configuration terminal, config dash register 0x2102. It will bypass that register value, the configuration register value, exit, and once again copy that running config to startup config, to copy that whatever we just run, and cease show version. So you can see we have to reload our router once again, allow you to get the previous version. Currently it's same as 0 x2102. Now we have to reload, so I have to give the command reload. Yes, And let's see. Give the password and show version. There we go. We got the register 0x2102. So this is what it's all about, how we